Acuity Scheduling conversion tracking via Google Tag Manager. So we will follow a few steps how to track it. Actually, I want to tell you something about Acuity Scheduling. You already know this is a scheduling app made by Squarespace, and this app you can also integrate with WordPress and also Wix or any other platforms. So here tracking the conversions is very tricky. When you create some ads in Google Ads or Meta or TikToks, then it's very important to measure the conversions, otherwise the ads will be not optimized. Actually, Acuity Scheduling cannot track the conversions automatically since they don't have this type of feature yet, but they have the option of custom scripting. So by this we can track. Let's go to work and see how to track. First, I made a script here, and I will copy the script. Now go to my Acuity Schedule option here, integration, then you go custom conversion tracking. You can see here, so edit here, then already I have pasted this code, so again I can paste it, just paste it, then save. So here our part is done. Now we will go to our Google Tag Manager. So here also I have put it one custom HTML which will help us to track the conversions. Now see and go to preview mode. So here you can see this is the Acuity Scheduling app. So I have make two test appointment types, so I can just book it. Okay, then I select my time, so add the time, so continue, so put my name here and complete. So you can see this is a complete Acuity Schedule booking. So you can call it purchase. So if you have a payment integration, this can be also tracked. So let us see what happened in the backend. So you can see their backend, there is a one purchase event fired, and here we can see the page type, the event is purchase, and this is a candle event. So profile page viewed, and this is e-commerce, transaction ID, then currency, then item. You can see the item IDs can be tracked. Here you can see Acuity appointment type, that is at consultation, then Acuity type is appointment, and also we can track the mail. So it can be used and enhance e-commerce transactions. So you can see all the data is available here. Also we can another event, by this event we can track all this information. You can see the same information under this event. So from here the important thing is the event. So you can see this purchase event. So we need to make one trigger. So let us make one trigger. So here I am making the trigger for Acuity Scheduling. It's custom event, and the event is purchase. Okay, so all purchase event, great. So don't be bored. So this is purchase event already configured. Now we can see this is, we want to make Google Ads conversions. So this is ad conversions, so we need the conversion ID. Can go and see. So we are in Google Ads conversion section. So here we will set the conversions. So I see now it will not track. So let me go other ad account. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. The account was recently cancelled, so I actually didn't notice that. So from here we will set one conversion. So the conversion will be from website, and our domain is, so our domain will be this domain. Scan, add manually. So it's book appointment, and it's Acuity booking. The conversion value can be same if you your booking don't have a payment method, that means a generic booking. So there you can put only same value, but if you want to track if your users need to pay ahead, then you can track for different consumption, different conversion value, but for me this is same, so I will put a single value, and so I want to track every conversion, so all other is same here. So I can, this is okay, save and continue. So event snippet, if we track, then actually I will use Google Tag Manager. So this is my conversion ID. You can see this is conversion ID, and our conversion level is this one. Okay, so this is conversion level, and what a conversion value we can, you can see we have also option for actually here we can track the value. Since the value is not available, that's why the value keypad segment is not available there. So we will put this one, the value, no need. Then transaction ID we can track, so you can put new variable, and this one will be data layer variable. From here we can see actually our transaction ID is e-commerce dot transaction will be our transaction ID. So e-commerce dot transaction ID. Okay, so you can put this one transaction ID, and conversion value should be, if you have the payment method integrated, so same it will be e-commerce dot value. So this is value. And currency will be the same. You can track with data layer variable. So currency will be same, we can select a data layer variable e-commerce dot currency. So that's good. Currency. Okay. So this will be Google Ads Acuity conversion, and our trigger is persist trigger. So save it. Now again we can preview and check if the conversion is either working or not. So it's working. Now go. So this time we can book and select a time, continue, then it's information. So you see the booking is done. So you can see our conversion is tracking, and if we see, we can see there are some value like the conversion ID, currency code is USD, and transaction ID is not working. So need to check why it's not working. If it's not working, means we have make mistake in our variable names. So let it check. Actually transaction ID was not pulled out because we make mistake. Here you see I make mistake in commerce spelling, so it's very important to make the correct spelling, otherwise variable will not pull out the data. So I would recommend to always follow, be very careful when you create the variables, otherwise it will make actually no data will be pulled, so that will be not good actually. So now again let's see if it's working or not. Yes, we can see again. So you can see now book, select your time, add the time, continue, put your information. Yes, it's done. So let's see version is tracking, and you see transaction ID is here, then currency code is here, only the value is missing because I am using the free Acuity form submission, and there is no payment method integrated here, that's why it's not tracking. So guys, if you think this video you love it, so please make a comment or like the video, and also if you want to see my next video, because I will make lot of videos on tracking technologies right now, so you can see. If you want to see, then you just subscribe my channel, and bye bye till to the next video. Thank you.